What if I told you that some of the fastest growing YouTube channels have no host, no camera, and no studio? Just AI tools, a workflow, and consistency. That's the Faceless YouTube model. And in this video, I'm walking you through the exact AI production stack I use to produce videos like this one. Script, voice, visuals, upload, all automated. Let's break it down step by step. Before you touch any tool, you need a topic people are actually searching for. I use 3 sources: YouTube's autocomplete, Google Trends, and a tool called VidIQ or TubeBuddy. Type in your niche keyword and look for questions with high search volume and low competition. For the AI niche, right now the gold is comparisons, Claude versus ChatGPT, tutorials, how to use new tool, and income content, how people are making money with AI. Spend 15 minutes here. The topic is 80% of your success. Once you have your topic, open Claude and give it a structured prompt. I use a template that specifies niche, audience, video length, tone, and call to action. Claude outputs a full script with segment breaks, visual cues, and a hook in the first 30 seconds. Takes about 5 minutes. Edit for accuracy. AI can hallucinate stats, so fact-check anything that sounds too specific. This is where the magic happens. Paste your script into ElevenLabs, pick a voice that matches your channel's vibe, and hit Generate. I use a voice called Adam for authoritative eye content. Sounds natural, holds attention, doesn't sound robotic like older TTS tools. The entire voiceover for a 5-minute video renders in under 60 seconds. Export as MP3. Affiliate link for ElevenLabs is in the description. They have a free tier to get started. With your script and voiceover ready, it's time to build the actual video. InVideo AI lets you paste your script, and it auto-selects stock footage, applies transitions, adds captions, and syncs everything to your voiceover. The result looks like a professionally edited video. You'll want to swap out a few generic clips and adjust text overlays. That takes about 20 minutes. Export at 1080p. InVideo link is also in the description. Thumbnails are your billboard. A bad thumbnail kills even the best video. For faceless channels, the formula is simple. Bold, contrasting text, 3-5 words max. A high contrast image, either AI-generated or a stock image of something relevant, and your channel color palette. I use Canva for this. There are AI-generated thumbnail templates built in now. Takes 10 minutes. Test 2 thumbnail variants once you have enough impressions. Click-through rate is your North Star. Finally, upload to YouTube with a keyword-optimized title, description with affiliate links, and 5-8 relevant tags. Pin a comment on your video with a link to your most recent upload. Schedule your next video before you close the tab. That discipline, schedule before you close, is what separates channels that grow from channels that stall. That's the full workflow. 6 steps, entirely AI-powered, no camera required. If you want the exact Claude prompts I use for video scripts, subscribe and watch my next video. I'm releasing the full prompt template for free. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in 3 days.